Yes.
It's good. It's good.
Together, we are strong.
Okay, there we go.
Which Tracer's like right
Tracer,
there.
they got a tracer. Yep.
Tracer's just on us in the back.
Trying to keep her off.
She's on me. Ooh.
Tracer's going left side. She'll probably be in Viking area.
Hey, Lucio just
Tracer's on
running
me in the back.
around here. That's fine.
Dude, this Tracer. Good
Yeah,
lord.
we got the tracers. Just the Ferris. Just the Ferris. Move forward. Move forward.
Go to point.
On the objective. Coming?
You're covered.
Farah one. Nice.
You needed a doctor?
It's a good push. Good push.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Barrier is on you.
This is gonna make you feel better.
Tracer.
Yeah, watch out.
Oh shit. Ooh.
Don't worry. Oh. My shield's gonna break.
I got you.
Nice pick. Nice pick.
Hey, Tracer's
Tracer in. Tracer in.
somewhere. She's doing something. Just
He's dead. He's dead.
I'm even stronger.
Far up. Far up. Nice. Okay. Well, I'm not having to do much. That's good.
That was weird. Like, all of these team fights have been really weird.
Give me a step back just a sec. Wait. Oh.
They're pulling around left side.
Yeah, be careful.
Nice pick. Nice pick.
Barrier is on you. Go.
Genji's just kind of standing there on the right. Okay.
Okay.
Moving the payload. Falling with me.
So,
we're still
why are they
left side.
playing like this? They just like stop moving occasionally.
Are they giving up? I don't know.
No, it's just like
It is not over yet.
Ferris still
Farah
behind us. Behind us.
Yep.
Wow, this Tracer sucks.
Yeah. Feels like somebody practicing Tracer. She's got good positionals, not crap accuracy though.
Yeah.
Farah's one behind. She's very, very
Tracer
low.
behind.
Barrier is on you.
How we doing on...
you see that Genji was just standing still. Like what the hell was he doing?
Look out for the Tracer back there if you're coming back in. Farah behind. Farah
Oh
behind.
yeah.
She's rotating right side. Farah right side.
Yep,
Nice.
good guy.
Nice, Nick.
Nice. Oh god.
Okay.
Oh, she just sucked us all into